To our RISE students and families, we wanted to send a message and acknowledge the pain, grief, and anger of this challenging time. Over the past few weeks, we've witnessed the murders of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, and Ahmaud Arbery, and we are now living through the protests and uprisings that have resulted from these injustices. While the violence against Black bodies and Black communities is unfortunately not new, we know that the continued exposure and trauma is exhausting, and that it takes a toll. Watching this happen against the backdrop of the coronavirus is truly an overwhelming reality. We want you to know that we love you, that we're here to support you, that we're here to fight for change alongside you, and that we are here to learn from you as we hope and seek for a better world.
Students, we know there are a lot of confusing messages out there, but we want you to know that your well-being, safety, and mental health are our number one priority. The images you may have seen on the news and social media have caused much anger, fear, and anxiety. During these times, we know that schoolwork can be both an escape as well as an additional stressor on your life. And during these challenging times, please do what you need to be physically and mentally healthy. And if you are struggling to figure out what that means for you, please reach out to us. To our Black community, you are valued and loved. This moment is one of many challenging moments in our larger fight for justice. There is no bigger act of protest than your self-care. We are always here if and when you need us.
RISE students and staff, we understand that these past few days, if not weeks and months, have been hard and somewhat discouraging. Feelings of sadness, uncertainty, and possibly even fear may be at the forefront with all of this racial tension, as well as the pandemic. But my hope going forward, our hope going forward, is that we channel our feelings of outrage into peaceful actions, embracing and trying to understand everyone by simply listening to what others have to say. By doing this, we can start to begin conversations of how we, as a small part of this country, can impact change. Your safety and well-being is at the forefront of our concern. Please know that we are here for you. We care about you. Remain safe and strong.